Artoonza.
In today's easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a heart in 6 different styles, or as I like to call it, a love heart. Drawing time, let's have a lot of fun together. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Yellow. Pink. Mix it up, mix it up. This is better. Red.
Wow!
Give us your like. Color, color, color. Pink. This is so amazing. Red. Yellow. Red again. Mix it up, mix it up. Green.
Aw, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. Orange. Color, color, color. Purple. Blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red.
Wow!
Black. Green. Color, color, color. Blue. Purple? Glitter time. Let's make it shine.
Aw, so cute.
Shoo, go away! Smash that like button now. Hit that like button now. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.